Hi students, welcome back to our IT section class. Did you watch the previous video? In the last class, we learned some facilities of internet. Did you remember it? Okay, let's move to the next topic. Did you hear about dictionary? We use dictionary for searching the meaning of words, don't we? Dictionaries are available on the internet also. Olam, Wiktionary are such dictionaries. Olam is an English Malayalam dictionary available on the internet. Let's search the Malayalam equivalent of the word freedom with the help of the website Olam. For that, open browser software. Type http://olam.in the address bar. Press enter key. Olam is an English Malayalam dictionary available on the internet. Type freedom in the search box. Press enter. The meanings of freedom appears. Did you see it? Okay. Likewise, we can find the meanings of any word. Let's start the next topic of this chapter. Words can be translated using Google Translate. See how this can be done. For that, open the browser software. Type http://translate.google.co.in. Press enter key. Type freedom in the box of window that appears. Look, what do you see? Shall we change the language in Hindi? The meaning of freedom in Hindi appears. Okay. Suppose we need the English equivalent for a Malayalam word. What changes should be made to this window? Don't forget to convert the keyboard to Malayalam layout before typing. In the previous class, we already learned how to change the keyboard to Malayalam layout. Did you remember it? Similarly, this website can be used for one-to-one translations from different languages. Did you understand? Students, this chapter is over. Read the whole chapter from your textbook. Okay? Thank you.